So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add funds to your FHSA account or your first home savings account here in Canada on the Wealthsimple mobile application. So pretty straightforward. Once you're into your FHSA or your first home savings account, this is sort of the home screen that you have. So you have your available balance, you have your available to trade. You can sort of see your performance in the last month, the last day, all time, whatever the case may be here. You can scroll down. So for me, I have my recurring investments. I also have my portfolio right below. But if you wanted to add some funds, because as you can tell, my available to trade is just 36 cents. So I'm going to have to add some more funds to this account if I wanted to purchase some more inside of my FHSA. Press on where it says add funds. So right beside where it says trade, press on add funds. Now for me, what it can do is it can deposit from my RBC checking account that I have opened up. So that's set by default, but if you wanted to change that, you can simply press on this. You can also interact e-transfer as well by pressing on that. So there's a $1,500 limit instantly with the RBC checking account or whatever checking account that you have. As a funding method also, if you wanted to increase that, $3,000 through e-transfer will work within 30 minutes. If you wanted to add an account, go to the bottom right and press on add an account. So I'm just going to go back here. Also, what you can do though, if you want to fund some other accounts as well, just press on to FHSA, which is the first home savings account. You can change that to another account as well, and for the amount, you can type the amount in to do whatever you want. So you can do $1,500 instantly, and then the rest in 3 to 5 days, or whatever the case may be there. So if you wanted to, let's just say do $100, you can press $100, press on save, then go to the bottom, press on add funds, and there you go. That's how you guys can add funds to your first home savings account here in Canada on the Wealthsimple mobile application. I hope this video helped. Thanks again for watching.